Good morning. Hello everyone. So if I sound croaky, it's been a late night. I've been driving all around yesterday. I was able to have a friend who wired up this guitar for me, which is, it's in the bag, which we'll show you in a bit. This one's actually for an artist called Judge of Black Gold. He's, excitingly, him and his band are going to the South by Southwest festival or show, exhibition, whatever they call it, in Texas. So he's taken one of my guitars. I'm very excited, nervous, all at the same time. So that's fun. So I'm going to get this one strung up, set up, and then hopefully I can drop it off to him tomorrow. Then I've got some stock to prep for a custom 5-string multi-scale bass. We did it in Polonia, but it's just very soft. It's very light, but me and the client, were concerned over its longevity over 5+ years. If your gaze can dent it. I'm being facetious, obviously, but it's very soft in its raw form, not painted. So we're going to do an Abeshi version and a Swamp Ash version, and then client's going to come around and we're going to fit the neck into all the pockets, and he's going to check out the weight and do some numbers and see what's the best one for him, really. Then I've got a friend who's performing down at the Junction at 2:30, so I need to probably leave about 1:30 just so that I'm there for when he starts. So yeah, it'll be good to see him play, and then I'll be back to finish up all the bits and pieces. I need to do some 3D printing for some drill guides for the custom bass that I'm doing. So yeah, this is a bit more of a casual vlog of what I get up to, less scripted, believe it or not. So if you like it, and the video gets more than 100 likes, then maybe this is the way to go. But let's get on with this 7-string. So we are done on the setup. It's looking really good. I've been able to get it all intonated beautifully. So Judge actually plays a 7-string like an 8. So that's why we've gone for the standard pack of NYXLs, which is the 9 to 80s. But he basically removes the 9, so basically it's 80 to 13. And he goes F sharp B, E A D, F sharp B, and this is a custom spec, so kill button and then split coil on the custom hand wound ceramic mag pickup. So this has got the Lumine side dots, which little bag for him for adjustments and all the rest of it. Custom sort of gold hardware. This is my headlock design. And yeah, Evo gold frets. Got BG, which is the logo of Black Gold. And on the back, if he focuses, got Judge, that's the guy. And yeah, this has been a fun one. So I'm going to get this in the bag, which my mother makes. And obviously gold on the inside. So yeah, I'm gonna now bring down the wood, because to the dismay of my wife, I've got 2 planks of wood upstairs in the hallway, so that's not very good. So I'm gonna bring them down and then start prepping the stock. Okie dokie, so I've brought down this Ash and Abeshi. So I think this is going to be the one that is the preferable wood for the custom, but we'll see. So I'm going to chop it up because it's come in a long plank, and obviously it doesn't fit in that, so I'm going to split it down the middle. Use this little, big skimming tool, just so that I can face it off, and then I'll use an end mill just to square it up on the edge, and that'll be the glue join in between the two pieces. But first I need to obviously remove all this fret wire because it's from the neck, which has come out really nice. So this is actually the Polonia. It's just so soft, it's so light. I mean, there you go, so light, which is great, but I just, you know, it just dents, it goes really fluffy. Longevity wise I'm not entirely sure, but this is the neck for it. So I've got the frets in, glow in the dark, green illuminate side dots. So this just needs a fret level and a fret dress. I'll be trying out this properly, which is a fretilizer, and then they give you this little block, goes on the edges, which is quite nice. I like that idea. So, and a little shimmy thing to protect the frets on the fretboard, but I'll be masking it all off anyway. So I've got the ash blank gluing up there, so that'll be ready for tomorrow, and then I'll prep the stock tomorrow for the Ibeshi, and then it's kind of like so I've got only a finite resource of clamps, but for now I need to clean myself up and head into town and see my mate's band. Off to the gig. So I'm back from the gig. I've now got to do some CAD work. So I've made some revisions on the base design, and because I've made some revisions in terms of like heights, bringing a few bits up in terms of like pocket depths, I'm now gonna adjust the tool pathing and then re-export all the so it just means re-exporting these updated operations. I'm going to then start 3D printing some of the drill guides. So that's all gluing, ready to be machined tomorrow, so I can get a head start on that now. So that's it for today, Saturday the 8th of March. Hopefully this more casual style has given you an insight into the many projects that I've got on the go as a startup business. It's nerve-wracking, scary, and all very exciting. So to everyone who's followed me from the beginning, thank you. And to all those who will hopefully join me along the way, hello. And until next time.